Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your hair, skin, and makeup routines a little more magical every day. If you're someone who's constantly on the go or loves to travel without sacrificing style, the Conair Mini Pro Travel Hairdryer in red might just catch your eye. Compact, portable, and designed for convenience, it promises to deliver a full hair styling experience, even in a small package. This travel-friendly dryer packs 1,200 watts of power, featuring 2 heat and speed settings to accommodate a range of hair types. It's equipped with dual voltage, making it ideal for worldwide travel, and the folding handle ensures it fits effortlessly into your luggage. On the tech side, it utilizes Tourmaline Ceramic Technology, which is meant to protect your hair from heat damage while adding shine and reducing frizz. The package also includes a concentrator for precise styling, a 5-foot power cord for flexibility, and a velvet touch grip handle for comfort during use. When I first started testing this dryer, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it felt in my hand, which makes a difference when you're trying to style hair quickly. Despite its small size, the airflow is consistent, and it warms up almost instantly. Using the concentrator, I could target specific sections of my hair for sleek styling without feeling like the dryer was straining or lagging. The frizz-reducing effects were noticeable too. My hair felt smoother and shinier compared to air drying, especially on those humid days. One thing to note is that because it's compact, the dryer can feel slightly less powerful than a full-size salon dryer on very thick or long hair. But for travel and quick touch-ups, it performs admirably. The pros are clear. It's lightweight, easy to pack, gentle on hair, thanks to the Tourmaline Ceramic Technology, and ergonomically designed for comfort. The dual voltage is a huge win for travelers, and the concentrator attachment allows for precise styling. On the flip side, the cons include its slightly lower power compared to larger dryers and the limited heat speed options, which might not satisfy those with very thick or coarse hair looking for salon-level performance. In terms of value for money, this mini dryer is reasonably priced given the convenience, portability, and hair-protecting technology it offers. It's not intended to replace your everyday full-size dryer, but for anyone who travels frequently or needs a compact option, it's a worthwhile investment. Comparing it to other travel hair dryers on the market, the Conair Mini Pro stands out for its ergonomic design and the use of Tourmaline Ceramic Technology, which isn't always included in compact dryers. Some alternatives might be slightly cheaper, but they often compromise on styling power or frizz control, so this one strikes a good balance between performance and portability. The build quality is solid for a travel-sized tool. The folding handle feels sturdy, the velvet grip is comfortable, and the concentrator snaps securely into place. With proper care, it should last through countless trips though. Of course, it's not designed for heavy daily use like a full-size professional dryer. If you're curious about customer support, Conair has a solid reputation for responsive service, so any issues with the product should be handled efficiently, giving extra peace of mind for travelers. Now, if this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Conair Mini Pro Travel Hairdryer is a compact, convenient, and effective tool for anyone who needs a travel-friendly solution without sacrificing hair health. It won't replace a full-size dryer for heavy-duty styling, but it's perfect for packing light and keeping your hair smooth and shiny on the go. If you've used this dryer, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair type. And as always, thank you so much for visiting Beautyistic. The link to purchase this product is in the description box. And until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.